Hey everybody, welcome to Koi's Cookery. This is Annie here, and today I'm super excited to show you this super simple, keto-friendly, cheesy, garlicky chicken nugget recipe. Not only are these close to zero carb, but they're super savory, crispy, and barely require any type of cooking skill. If you hate being in the kitchen but you love homemade food, this is your go-to recipe for a quick meal. So let me show you how to make this. Let's go ahead and get started. So into a large bowl, you're going to add 12 to 13 ounces of chicken. You can use rotisserie chicken, canned chicken, just make sure it's cooked. Use 1 cup of cheese. I use mozzarella cheese, and I also blended in about a 1/4 cup of Parmesan cheese. Now add in 1/2 teaspoon of paprika, even salt, 1 whole teaspoon of oregano, and I also add in both 1/2 teaspoon of garlic and onion powder. Add 1 egg and mix this thoroughly with your hands, and it's going to become a nice paste. After that, I just added a pinch of baking soda in and continued mixing. Grab your air fryer parchment paper, and now is where you get to have a little bit of fun. You can roll these into whatever shapes you like. I usually do round or like a squarish shape. At one point, I even tried to mimic like the McDonald's chicken nugget shape, which I don't know if I did it right or not, but either way, they taste the same. The recipe makes about 10 nuggets. I just started out with half and air fried them at 400 degrees for 15 minutes, and they turn out so crispy, cheesy, and delicious. I even made this homemade dipping sauce with sriracha, mayo, and a little bit of rice vinegar. Thanks for watching. Enjoy, my friends.